our favorite story, or one of our best stories, is one that just happened recently with Vicky on Durango. This is a house that I grew up next door to this house, and it meant a lot to me to help out Vicky. So we listed Vicky's house. She was kind of being stubborn on wanting to, update it at first, and so she's like, nope, let's just list it. And so we did, and we listed it at a high number, and we had to keep dropping the price, Vicky, are you sure? Are you sure you want to sell this house at this price? With this? No, it's fine. Finally, she realized, you know what? The best offer I got was $535,000, and I looked at Vicky. I'm like, Vicky, your house is worth so much more than this, and it's such a beautiful home. You have all this mature landscape. I walk outside, and there's palm trees 30 feet high. There's all these ash trees, and it's just a beautiful neighborhood. And they're only getting $535 for this beautiful 4,500 square foot single story home. I'm like, let me help you. So what we did was we went in there, we renovated the whole house. We put $200,000 into it.
Yeah, we went overboard.
Yeah. Beautiful home, right? And because we did that, we were able to maximize her price. So we were into the whole thing about $730,000 now, and we just got an offer accepted and closed on the home, and it closed at $905,000. So it gave her a ton of value that really was able to maximize her profits and empower her. So we went through the home. The first thing you walk into, when you first walked into the house was, again, super closed in. Right to the left, there's this old school living room, and it dropped down. We filled that full of concrete, we knocked out a few walls, we opened up the whole entire kitchen. So you'll see the kitchen is now, and living room and dining room are all in one area where everybody can gather together and hang out and have a good time. We were able to also change over, so we put a butler's pantry on the back side of the kitchen, which a lot of our clients love just because you can put all your blenders, your coffee, all that stuff back there, and it's messy, and it keeps the kitchen clean. So we were able to give that feature with an extra added fridge back there for produce or whatnot, and people just loved it. So we were able to also go into the game room. And if you notice the game room, we were able to, this is a great spot for a pool table, ping pong table. This is actually where I grew up playing ping pong. This is where I learned to play ping pong. And I never even noticed the side over here where the TV is now. I didn't even know that existed. I didn't even know there was anything over there. And so we were able to, when we cleared it all out, we were able to put a really cool table there with some cabinetry. That's where you can put your candy and whatnot, and that's where you can kind of watch the game when you're playing pool and hang out. If you look at the house as a whole, we were able to get together our best designers, and the furniture turned out beautiful. Actually, the clients ended up buying this furniture from us just because of how well it was designed. Well done, Amanda, on that. The engineered hardwood floor really bring the beauty and timelessness into this home. You notice the master bathroom was a big change. We ended up gutting the whole thing, and it was a smaller master bathroom than most, but we were able to make the best use of it. The beautiful big shower with the smart shower feature, which is really cool. You can actually lay in your bed, turn on the app, turn on your hot water before you even get out of bed. So that's kind of a fun feature, and it's very user-friendly as well. But the beauty of all the quartz throughout the whole entire, it just flows so well together. I really enjoy the feel of this, the vibe of this bathroom. We also made a window, a larger window in that area, took down that door to give more space inside. So we have natural light coming in, the beauty. It turned out really wonderful. So I'm really happy how that house turned out. We opened up the floor plan. We made this place timeless, and at the same time, we gave it the value that Vicky needed to really move on and empower her for her future. So what an honor, what a great story.
And how long did it take you to sell the home after you renovated it?
So after we renovated it, we got in contract in actually 5 days. And so it was immediate. We knew that with our research and with our experience, we knew that in this price range, there was nothing like it. And so we were able to get exactly what this client, the buyer wanted. I mean, this buyer was looking around for a long time. I think they filled out a contract 3 times.
Yeah, they had been in contract 3 other times, and just in properties that were in bad shape, bad inspection reports, stuff that was all beat up. And there's buyers out there. People do not want to buy problems. So when they see a home that's tricked out and everything's together, those homes sell quick.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, this home did. Again, this is the power of Listing Masters. We enjoy bringing value to our clients. It's something that we're passionate about.
sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our channel.